Will, and we'll take care of Radford Homes on everything that we wire up. Cable, coax 5, the whole 9 yards. I'm letting him talk to you. Talk to him, Will.
Yeah, guys, we're here just joining the house to the, what do you call that, the in-law suite?
Yep, the in-law suite or your home office or whatever you want to call it right there. You can use that as a 4th bedroom, a 5th bedroom, because this house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Man cave, she shed. There you go. Yep, all that.
Yeah, we're just getting some internet out there and cable if they want to watch TV or stream video or put some cameras out there. This little junction box along with the one on the other building, I'll let them do it.
So Will, what are you doing right there?
So this is called a keystone. So all these wires are just pressed down into here. And then this is the female, this is the male. We connect them, and that gives you a connection to the other house.
All right, y'all see that? All right, and that's right here, over here at the open house we're having Saturday. Right here in Bartow. As you see, we got a brand new fence up right here all the way around. Got fence over there, 6 foot high. And my main man, Will, is knocking it out for us. Yeah. I'm going to go in the inside here, see what they got going on. All right, check out the backsplash. We installed a backsplash today. We also have what you call a pot filler right here. So the stove is going to go to the stove right there. It actually sits in here. All right, and over here you have your sink. Everything got black hardware. We're having an open house here on Saturday. All right, this is my wife's grand opening. And I got Central Florida Texture and Painting in here. Central Florida Texture and Painting in the house, y'all. You better believe it. 863-651-8325. All the way live. This is a big Nipsey Hussle fan right here. You better believe it. I think we finna spray some baseboards, y'all. We ain't got no choice. Boy, because if y'all take off after y'all put that paper down, I'm going to be firecracker hot. Boy, I ain't leaving until y'all leave. Watch the fire.
What time are people coming? Greg, what time are people coming?
12 to 2.
Oh, yeah, we'll have it sprayed by then. Be careful on the walls now.
Hey, Brian, please tell me he's telling a joke.
What?
Brian, please tell me he's telling a joke. All right, beautiful backsplash put in today by my main man, Felix. Check it out. Getting ready to paint the baseboards. We installed a backsplash today. We also have what you call a pot filler right here. So the stove is gonna go, the stove right there, it actually sits in here. All right, and over here you have your sink. Everything got black hardware. We're having an open house here on Saturday. All right, this is my wife's grand opening. And I got Central Florida Texture and Painting in here.